Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I am your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Open page number 9. First mention the day Thursday, 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 and date is 16th of July 2020. Okay, today we are going to start a passage and the title of the passage is A Big White Hen. As you can see, this is a hen, a big white hen. There was once a big white hen that had 12 little chickens. Okay, there was a big white hen and she had 12 little chickens. These are chickens, little chickens. They were very small and the old hen took good care of them. Care means look after. So the old hen took good care of them. She found food for them in the daytime and at night kept them under her wings. As you all know that mothers are very caring and loving, and the big hen is also very caring and loving as well. So she found food for them and she gave food to them in the morning time, and at night time she covered the chickens in her wings. As you can see, these are the wings of hen because she was very protective. Okay, one day this old hen took her chickens down to a small brook. Brook is a small stream. Okay, she thought, let me show you the picture of brook. As you can see, this is a brook. So the big hen took her chickens down to a small brook. She thought some fresh air and the water be good for them. As we know that she was very caring, so that's why she took her chickens to a small brook for some fresh air. When they got to the brook, they walked on the bank for a little while. Bank means side of a river. So they walked on the side for a little while. It was very pretty. Pretty means good looking on the other side of the brook. Okay, the other side was looking beautiful and pretty, and the old hen thought she would take her children over there. So that's why she thought that she would take her children over that side. Okay, there was a large stone in the brook. Stone means rock, a hard rock. So there was a large stone in the brook. She thought it would be easy for them to jump to that stone and from it to the other side. Jump means bounce. Okay, so as we read that there was a large stone, so the hen thought that it would be easy for her and for the chickens to jump on the stone and then from it to the other side. So she jumped to the stone and told the children to come after her. Okay, first the hen jumped to the stone and told her children to come after her. For the first time she found that they would not obey her, means they were not follow her. She flapped her wings. Flap means shake. She shaked or flapped her wings and cried. Cried means shout. Come here, all of you. Now he was calling her children to come here. Jump upon this stone as I did. She was saying that jump on the stone as I did. We can then jump to the other side. Come now. So she was trying to convince them to jump on the stone, but they can't. Oh mother, we can't. We can't. Okay, the children are saying that we can't do this, said all the little chickens. Yes, you can if you try, said the old hen. And the mother was saying that if you try, you can do this, okay? Just flap your wings as I did. Okay, the mother was saying that flap your wings or shake your wings as I did, and you can jump over. That you would be easily, means you can easily jump over to the other side. I am flapping my wing, said Chippy. Chippy is a little chicken who stood by himself. Okay, Chippy is a little chicken and who was saying that I am flapping my wings. He was listening his mother advice and he was trying his best, but I can't jump any better than I could before. As Chippy was standing on the stone, so that's why he can't jump better than before. So now I think it's clear to you. This is enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.